Assalamualaikum. Now I will show the tutorial of using Nearpod apps. So the first one, just search Nearpod in your Google search and click for the first one. So as usual, we need to sign up. So we can use our Google account. So after login with our Google account, it will look like this. So this is one of example after we log. So this is the first features of the apps. Click launch the lesson builder. So they have many variation of lesson that we can choose from the apps. For teacher, we can choose this one and this one. So for student, we can choose explore the Nearpod library. So many features for student can use. Not only student but also the teacher can use it to teach their students. We can choose the thing by our setting. This is an example of what that we have in this app. So I as a physical and health education teacher, so I will choose this physical and health education. So I choose movement and exercise, for example. So it will up like this. So we can choose one to preview. They have full material of teaching that have been prepared in this slide, so teacher can use it easily. So in this app, they have two options of teaching, which is live participation and student pace. So we go live participation first. And it will look like this. So student need to put this code to join this class. And the second option is student pace. So we can choose our setting. And just put the new code to join the class. Before I forgot, this app also link to Google Classroom, Embed, and Microsoft Teams. So this is the tutorial how to use Nearpod. So this is from me. Thank you for watching.